Hello from LeBlanc Cleaning. I'm standing out in front of TMS, one of our office spaces that we service. This is a pretty big 80,000 square foot facility, which we service and have been doing so for a couple of years. A majority of the people have been at home since the start of COVID, working from home. And just today, happy to announce that we were assisting TMS and helping them get their facility ready for their employees to come back to work. And most importantly, to help them feel safe and in doing so. So we've been here for the last couple of weeks and days, putting a lot of extra time into wiping down everything, applying disinfectant to all the different desk areas, putting out our antibacterial lotion, our sanitizing lotion and antibacterial wipes, just really cleaning up the place, touching on every high touch area, door handles, light switch covers and stuff like that. So we have been, the building manager for TMS actually resides in Texas, so we have been her eyes and ears, assessing what needs to be done, reporting, and most importantly, executing what needed to be done to make sure that their employees come back to work today. All 70 of them started back to work today, so I'm about to go in and do some day porter service, and we'll be back here tonight to clean up. So we're very happy to be here, very thankful to TMS. One of our precious clients. So thank you very much, TMS, and going in now. Thanks.